Hello, I'm Dr. Jacob Frisby, and I'm a fellowship-trained vascular surgeon and a member of Mid-Michigan Health's Comprehensive Heart and Vascular team. As a vascular surgeon, I'm dedicated to the diagnosis and treatment of disorders of the circulatory system, including the arteries and veins. I was attracted early on to the field of vascular surgery due to the wide variety of treatment strategies for the same disease process. Developing and executing the best strategy for my patients is very rewarding. I want my patients to feel like I'm a family member that they can trust and confide in. The opportunity to help people when they are most vulnerable is not one that I take for granted. It is truly an honor and a privilege. In my role, I help patients optimally manage conditions such as carotid artery disease, venous disease, aneurysms, and peripheral arterial disease. I have a special interest in hemodialysis access and maintenance, as well as wound healing to prevent limb amputation. The most satisfying aspect of my work is seeing patients progress in their postoperative recovery. Nothing is better than helping a patient improve their overall quality of life.